Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see how we can use Google Sheets in order to create an attendance tracker for your students. The aim of this tool is to help you manage in your classes, your students' absence and presence more efficiently. At the end of this video, you're going to have this result. By clicking on the checkboxes right here, this will automatically update the total presence, as you can see here. Now let's see how we can create this attendance tracker. Step number 1 is to open Google Sheets. To do so, open your browser, click on Google Applications right here, scroll down, and click on Sheets. Start a new spreadsheet. And for me, I will continue working on my already created file. Then I will adjust the zoom, 75%. Step number 2, setting up your Google Sheet. You need to create a column for first and family name of your students, as you can see here. Then you need to create some columns for your sessions. For the current case, I created 14 sessions, which are representing a semester. And for the last column, which is dedicated to total presence. Step number 3, inserting checkboxes. And to do so, we need to select this range. Then we go to Insert tab, select tick box. Tick box has been added to each cell. Step number 4, using formula for totals. We are going to use this formula to automate the counting process. And we will use this formula equals count F, the range for the first student, 14 sessions, comma, criterion now, which is true, press enter. We see here we have 0. And if we tick the checkboxes right here, the number will change. Then we'll apply this format to the following cells. As you can see here. Now let's check the interactivity. By clicking on the checkboxes, it will automatically update the totals. As you can see here. That's it. This is how we can create your attendance tracker in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.